Coxswain, what's going on?
The propellers aren't working anymore, Captain.
We're stuck!
You're stuck!
That's not true. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, but you've been thinking since this morning.
I love the sea. It gives me such a feeling of peace.
You lose!
That's not true. Give me the checker back.
No, I'm the winner and I'll do as I like.
Bird, stop it. You're making my head spin.
He started.
Started what?
Don't you have anything better to do than argue?
Feathers up! Feathers up!
Ready, girls? 1, 2, and
What are you doing, girls?
a nice swim in the ocean. Shouldn't you be sleeping?
It's too hot. I can't sleep.
Why don't you come with us and refresh yourself? Let's go.
Thanks, but there could be sharks here.
Sharks? What a ridiculous idea, you cowardly mammal. Let's go.
Actually, I'm a bit tired. I have an idea. Let's fill the bathtub with water.
Right on.
Yes, yes!
Sure. Much more comfortable.
Duck acrobatic squad, get ready.
I was wondering about the formation ducks use when they fly. Shouldn't the V be horizontal?
You're right, but they were all born and raised in a cage.
They've only learned these details by hearsay.
Ooh, how refreshing seawater is so relaxing.
Can I check the temperature?
Stay far away from our water.
Deborah, don't be so selfish. After all, he's a flying creature, too.
Okay, but only dip in your claws. Ah!
Disgusting.
I knew something awful will happen.
It's impossible. I wash every night.
Really, it's not his fault.
What's up with all the screaming today?
Don't panic, ladies. I'm not dangerous.
You're very dirty.
It's just ink that we squid make.
You are a squid?
A young squid. My name's Caldwell.
Aren't young calamari specimen cute?
What's up?
There's a stranger in our tub.
A mollusk.
Let's throw the mollusk back into the sea immediately.
Don't be impolite. Our guest may stay as long as he wishes.
The ladies are right. I must go indeed. Do you see that ship? My brother's stuck under it.
Stuck? But how?
This morning, when we were swimming happily, one of his tentacles got tangled in the propellers of a ship. I tried to help him, but it was impossible for me to do it alone. So I went for help and ended up in the ladies' bucket. So here you have me.
Well, maybe we can help you. What do you think, birds?
Only if the mollusk stops calling us ladies.
Not that I want to brag, but I'm the only one that knows a thing or two about swimming underwater.
Good idea, Penny. Nat, stay here in the cockpit.
Yes, sir.
Feathers up!
possible that you've put on some weight?
Who? Me?
Faster, faster!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Couldn't you wait a moment? Let's review some nautical terms.
No time for a review. Everything will be okay. We'll make it.
Under the ship.
There's nobody around here.
Marnie, run and fly and find out what the humans are doing. I'll reach Caldwell.
You're in trouble, aren't you? My name's Penny.
Hi, I'm Calvert. Sorry, but I can't shake tentacles well because one of mine is stuck here.
Well, let's see if I could possibly help you.
Yes, we could go there slowly. Can you untie that? Are you there?
No, I got entangled too.
We can't stay here forever! We'll have to free our propeller from that beast! Listen!
I'm starting to get worried.
Any news?
I have good news and bad news.
We can smile halfway then.
The good news is that the humans decided to detach Calvert from the propeller.
Fantastic!
The bad news is that they may cut the tentacle off.
Oh no!
Hey, Penny!
I just made it.
Did you free him?
No, it's really entangled.
If Marnie's right, we only got a little time. How did he get such a mess?
It happens that propellers turn fast. He got tied up without realizing it.
It turns fast, huh? Just like Humphrey and Floyd chasing each other before.
Because Humphrey wanted to win.
I did win!
Good idea, Corky. Thanks.
That penguin is full of surprises.
Penny came back, see? I knew she wouldn't leave you here.
Any good news?
Yes, I spoke to my friends about you.
What did you tell them?
That you're a jerk.
A jerk?
Only a jerk like you could get in such a mess. Isn't it strange?
What's strange?
That Calvert is not only a jerk, he's also ugly.
How dare you?
You squid are completely
I'll
hopeless.
show you something.
Catch me if you can.
I'll teach you how to respect us, calamari.
Oh, finally.
Calvert! Calvert, stop!
What? What happened?
You're free.
Mission complete.
Hooray!
Congratulations.
Well done!
Well done!
It's really great to be happy. But after all, we don't even know this Calvert.
You're right, Doris. We must do something about it.
This is my first flight. Thank you, duck ladies.
It's our pleasure. What a gentle calamari squid.
Not like some non-mollusks.
We must go home now.
You're right. Winged friends, thanks again.
Come and visit us someday.
Hey, beware of the sharks!
Sharks? There are no sharks around here.
How silly.
Unbelievable!
The important thing is not to be so gullible.
It's important to always brush your beak.
This This morning, an oceanography vessel's propellers were unexpectedly blocked. The captain and his team were able to determine that the tentacles of a giant octopus were tangled up in their propeller. While the worthy seamen discussed their strategy to free the octopus from their vessel, they saw a little octopus swimming away. Perhaps we are not aware of it yet, but there may be octopi that can change their size. Zoologists are working intensely on this subject.